Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I'm just taking a break. Danny's working on the studio room, so you'll hear a little noise in the background. But I'm sitting on the porch, cup of coffee. Check out my blog on frugalfamilyfood.com. But let me show you. You see this muffin? I baked it in my muffin top pan. I'm going to try and put a link in the description below. But isn't that awesome? That is an apple oatmeal muffin. Okay, I made it dining on a dime. Tara wrote this awesome cookbook. Gonna put the link in the description below so you can check it out. It's on page 281. It does say apple oatmeal bars. Okay guys, I had to fudge it a little. Just saying. I didn't do it just like she did, but this is what I did. I added the 1 cup of oatmeal, the salt, the butter, the flour, the cinnamon, the sugar, and to that I added a little bit of splash of milk, probably 1/4 cup, mixed it up really good, and I added 1/2 cup of my applesauce. So it made a mixture, and like a pancake mixture or whatever, muffin mixture. And I put it in my muffin top pan, cooked it, and this is the awesome muffin that I made with that mixture. Hers calls for putting down the oatmeal flour mixture, then laying the apples on top and sprinkling sugar over it and some of the crumble on top. But mine's a muffin. Just saying. You guys see that? Moist, easy. Now this is not gluten-free. I did not do gluten-free this time. I had a real cinnamon, real vanilla. I did add vanilla to it too. Forgot. This thing's good. I put enough cinnamon in it. It's got a decent cinnamon taste. Oh boy, that's awesome. So you guys, you want an awesome recipe? Let's first look at dining on a dime. I'm telling you guys, Tara did an excellent job. And page 281 again. It says bars, but I changed it to muffins. Added a couple of ingredients. This is awesome, guys. So when you learn to cook from scratch, you learn to tweak the recipes, and then you'll have some awesome something to eat. Regardless of what the cookbook says, you can play with it. Sometimes it comes out great, sometimes it don't, but this is great. So you guys check out the links for Dining on a Dime in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I'm back canning. Thank you from Crazy Days.